Guys, today I have a really good one for you, and I know you might say it's weird. It is not weird because how many times you wanted to either record sound or you wanted to record a video or something and you didn't have an expensive microphone like the one I have right here, but now you can have it wireless. Bluetooth microphone that is probably better than a lot of microphones that are on the range of $100 and $200 sometimes. But this time, you don't need to spend that kind of money. These are 13 bucks. 13 bucks on Amazon. Believe it or not, I bought them at Ross. Yes, a lot of you are going to say, but isn't Ross supposed to be with, clothing only or something like that? Yeah, that's what you think, but sometimes they have gems like these. And a lot of people actually are not aware of these JLab's Jbuds Pro. That's what they are called, Jbuds Pro. People don't know about them, but they actually have a super nice microphone inside. They're not just like the regular headphones that I've shown you before, that their microphone is extremely bad. On these ones, the microphone is actually a really high quality one. Before we jump to sound samples of these, the drivers on them are extremely good. They run up to 6 hours of battery, if I'm not wrong. They have noise isolation. They have titanium 10mm drivers inside. That's what makes them really, really good if you can catch them somewhere. I know they have newer ones. They're not bad, but I would say Jbuds Pro nail it in every aspect, even against the newer versions that JLabs have come up with. So if you find a pair of these, grab them. You're gonna listen on this video how good the microphone on them is. So you can use these now as a wireless lavalier microphone. Instead of spending $300, you put these on your neck and you start talking to your either PC that you connected with Bluetooth and put it on OBS, or to your phone, and boom, you have wireless microphone of probably the highest quality you've ever had on headphones form. Without wasting time, let me switch the microphone source and show you how this microphone actually sounds. And here is our OBS, and as you see, I'm recording with this microphone here, which is my main one, Elgato Wave 3. And now we are gonna switch to this microphone here. But first, let me turn it on really quick. We should see some light somewhere. Okay, the blue light is on. Let me just confirm it on the computer. Yep, it's actually connected already. Once I turn it on, it connected right away. And here we are at the settings. And the JLabs are connected, voice and music. And let me show you right here who is recording this sound. Right there. It is the JLabs Audio AG, whatever that is added there. But the sound you're hearing is coming from the JLabs. So what else can you ask more from under $13 headphones? These are actually really good, and I'm not talking that far from them right now, but I'm gonna put them a little bit further from my mouth so you guys can see how that goes. And now it should be around maybe a foot away from my mouth, and this is how it sounds. And I would say this is really, really good for $13. What else can you ask from that for that price? And you can use them for streaming, gaming. And let me put them closer to my mouth now, and this is how they sound from maybe too close to my mouth, and I'm almost hitting the camera with my nose, but hey, I gotta show you what I gotta show you, because these are the JLabs. And the rest of this video, yes, it's being recorded with them. I am not sponsored by JLab. I wish. I wouldn't mind having a product of theirs here on the table from them. But no, this one was bought with my own money from Ross, and just because I like them. Let me tap, just so you can see the sound is actually coming from these headphones, and they're really good. Guys, I don't know what else to tell you. If you find them somewhere, and I hope you strike luck and you get a pair that have not been abused by somebody else, if you buy them used for $5, these are really good. You can use them for your gaming, for Zoom calls, for videos, and you can use them as a wireless microphone. You just put them around your neck and forget that they're there and just keep talking all day long. And with that said, I hope you like this video. I don't know what else to say besides please like and subscribe if you learned anything from this video and if you like this video at all. We'll see you on the next one. Bye!